Oh, it has been some time. Ryan Scholes, the Oregon Outdoor Lighting. There's been a lot of hype. 1305 Myrtle. So we're here. So we ripped out the existing old well lights that were flush in the driveway. When they redid the concrete and redid the driveway, we redid the lights as well too. So we did large well lights, 3 LED, no bulb, 20 years, I don't have to worry about it. But we really wanted to bring out the features around the whole area. So we did like the curb, so you don't hit it with the car tire, you don't want to scratch up those rims, right? Then we went into here to the courtyard and we lit behind the pots to give us the glow. Then coming through here with the garage, they obviously have the garage lights that shoot down, but we had to do a little more, give a little extra shooting up in the middle. And then obviously we continue that, showing pots on this side, out by the front door, and then around this area as well too. So obviously another feature they got is the palm trees, right? Gotta show the palm trees. And we're gonna do it in green. Why? Gotta match the color of the leaves, bring that out. There's also the color wheel, so they can actually adjust it if they wanna go blue, red, green, whatever they want. They can adjust that on the fly through their app. Obviously with this home, there's no windows that you're seeing from the street view coming in. So if we didn't do these lights, this will look like a dark hole when you're coming in. You wouldn't even know really it's a home here. So by doing this and these well lights flush all in through here on the concrete, it just really bringing out the home from the curb view. Thank you for joining me on this windy summer evening. Obviously with this being one of the most expensive homes listed in Portland right now, what we were hired for is bringing this out in the evening. That's what we did. The home looks sweet. See you guys soon.